Hey, good evening folks. Clint from Pik Rite here. Got a customer coming in this evening to pick his truck up. It turned out real nice. Just getting ready to do a video here and looked over and there's two fawns up here eating. Pretty cool. A lot of people ask, this is our to-do list. It's what I like to call it. Trucks that either need picked up or trucks that need bodies put on. Anyway, back to this truck. The customer had an unfortunate situation. He imploded a tank, and we're actually able to hook him up with a new truck and a replacement real quick. Just worked out for him. And then we took his old chassis that he had, his old pump, and put a new tank on it for him. So it turned out real nice. Had an MVE 866 that we were able to reuse. New secondary, new muffler, and of course hoist and hoist cylinder. Freshwater head on the front. Full open door. Air discharge on the back. He does some land application. Got a bucket fill coming out the side here from the fresh water. Turned out to be a real nice truck. So, any questions, give us a call. Have a good day.